In this video, we're going to look at the process of FBI submission. Now we've got our record created, our demographics are finished, our fingerprints are captured, we've saved the record, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to submit the record. Again, as with the California DOJ, we're going to come to the history list. It's uploaded. We already have our acknowledgement received from the server. We also have the date and time stamp that the acknowledgement was received. Now we have an indication that we're waiting for one response. Now I want you to notice the little staticons here and all of the ones on the records down the left-hand side. The green check means that the record was submitted and finished successfully, and the envelope indicates that at least one response was received. Now, whether that's an acknowledgement, as in this response here, or an actual response, which we're going to receive on the FBI's submission, will only be determined by going into the record. Now, you'll notice that the staticon here is a blue arrow pointing to the left, indicating that it's waiting for a response. It's received one response, but it is now waiting for a second response. You'll notice the time here. So we created our record at 11 minutes past 9 a.m. We received our first response at 15 minutes past 9 a.m. Okay, and now our response has shown up. We've received one FBI response, so we have a total of 2 responses. We received our green check. We go back over to our response tab, and now in addition to the acknowledgement, we have an FBI response. And this response file gives us a date, gives us the date that the response was received from the FBI, tells us what type of a response it was. In this case, it's an SRE response, meaning that it was successful. No errors. The individual was identified. There were no errors in the record. And of course, this was a test record only. And here is a TCN number that was returned on this record by the FBI.